Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We're going to test Schneider 6330 12.1 inch HMI. Is originally the display not on, and display not on means it's the display very blur, and there is not showing any letters like that. Touch also not response. After we repair, you can see here the display is very clear, and we're going to try right now the touches. Temperature settings. This is so on the temperature when you connected that PLC. This is the motor settings. Okay, now we're going to try home. The touch is a very good response. The display is working very proper. Successfully we are repaired Schneider 6330 HMI. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions. Dynamic circuit. Thank you very much for watching this video.